So I am flushing the tank, trying to get out the roughest parts of the rust. So here's what I've got. I used all these nuts and bolts in the gas tank, along with about a gallon of gasoline. And this is what I have gotten out from the first cleaning. And I'm going to try and clean these things up just a little bit and strain this gas and put it back inside the tank and repeat the procedure. Some bolts and screws are back inside. I did cut this piece of plastic out from just a plastic milk bottle, I believe. And then that gets sealed in there with the ring. I have an extra thick piece of rubber there just to take up the space on the locking ring. And the locking ring will go on, snug that down, and then when I agitate and shake the gas all around, nothing leaks out. This is after the third round of agitation. This is what came out. So in total, here's all of the solids. 3 rounds of agitation with these nuts and bolts. I think at this point now I'm just going to rinse with gasoline and not agitate anymore. Getting this cable in, trying to get that line open. That's the reserve line there. And eventually, after trying for a long time, what I found was the screen at the end of the line was all that was stopping the flow of PB blaster. Here's the pickup line from the main fuel line inside the tank. You can see that's solid, so there's no way fuel was going to go through that one. This one did not appear to be that solid, but once I removed it, I was able to feed my line through and also blow air through that line. That is the reserve line, and like the last 2 tanks that I did, I probably am only going to be able to go with the reserve line. I have not been able to make any progress on the main line. Even though I successfully ripped the screen off, I cannot get through the line so far.